Hey folks, DJ at the Rapscroll Garage, and today I'm going to be working on the 2008 Harley-Davidson Softail Night Train. I got a Cobra backrest for it, and I'm going to go ahead and get that put on. And it's one of those quick detach, the Cobra Quick Detachable ones. A little bit expensive, but it looks good, and that's really why I wanted it the most. But yeah, so let's go out and get that put on. Looks pretty easy, just to make 4 bolts or something. So let's go do it. What we're going to do is take these 2 bolts out on each side, and it is a, what is this? A T45. So we're going to take those out, and we're going to keep one of them for the back. And on the front one will get replaced with some bolts that came with the kit. So let's go ahead and do that on this side first. Keep that one. That one comes out. Now it comes with a new bolt, but it's an Allen head instead of the Torx like the other one. So we're going to just put these in here like this. And the nice flat part should go on the outside, and the tapered part goes inside. So okay, then we're going to use this, which is a 7/32 hex bit. So let's pop this out. There it goes. I'm using one of those wobbly ones. Let me go see if I can get my other one. The wobbly one makes the piece stick in. Let me see if I can find my other one. And I've got one that doesn't wobble, so it should hold on there nice and easy. Alright, now the back piece is what was tricky for me to begin with. In the pictures it's hard to tell how this bracket actually goes on, and I played with it for a little bit, and what I figured out, well, my cousin Tim figured out it goes on that way, just like that. Alright, now we're also going to use again the stock bolt for that. So we're just going to slip it right in. And again, put our T45 back on. We're going to hold the bracket in place. There we go. That's simple. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Same thing over here. Flat side goes out, tapered side goes in. And there it is. Alright. Pretty quick and simple, really. We've got the new brackets on, and we're ready to put the saddlebag, or the sissy bar, passenger backrest, whatever you want to call it. I've called it a sissy bar my whole life, so that's what I'm calling it. So, if you'll notice, I put a bag on the back of it here. And this is just an old William Max bag that I've had around forever. And I've had it on probably 6 different motorcycles. But the dang thing won't die. So, and I'm going to get me some saddlebags. I've already got them on order. So, but in the meantime, I put this on here just to have a little bit of storage. And then, like I said, this is the quick detach, and I went ahead and put it together. It's just 4 bolts, and it uses the same Torx as the bolts up there. So let's put it on and see how it looks. You gotta kind of push these on a little bit because they're new, and it should just drop right on. Yep, there it is. There you go. Now you have a sissy bar on. Like I said, the biggest thing was, let me pop this back up a second. The biggest thing was getting these mounted correctly. Like, the pictures that came with the instructions just weren't very clear. So as long as you have this angled piece here and the flat piece here, you're good to go. And yeah, I took my turn signals off because the ones that were on there kept spinning around and the threads were all stripped. So I've got some new turn signals on the way, and a new tail light, some new front ones. That'll be another video. I've got to do I don't have to. I want to change all the lights out and put saddlebags on. Most of that stuff's already ordered, so it'll be on the way. But yeah, this is the Quick Detach. I doubt I'll ever take it off, to be honest. I like having it there because I can basically, I can put a duffel bag right here and just throw my net on it. If you don't have one of these nets, let me show you. It's in here somewhere. I got extra glasses, face masks, all that good stuff in here. So yeah, I've got one of these little cargo nets, and I probably need a new one. This one's pretty old. But I take one of these and I'll just strap a duffel bag onto it. And it works also for, you know, a 12 pack of something, your, you know, preferred beverage. You can just strap it right on there and strap it against this and you're good to go. So yeah, if you don't have one of these, I'll put a link down below for this and for the backrest. And yeah, if you don't have one of these, I highly recommend you get one. They're just super handy. Mine only has 4 hooks on it. They come with 6. I took 2 of them off just because they get in the way and I don't have anywhere to hook them. So, and then I just throw them right in this bag, and when I need it, I got it. Always great for extra storage to be able to mount things here. Now once I get my saddlebags, I probably won't use it very much at all, but you know, that's next. It's on the way. And the saddlebags should mount up underneath these 2. You don't want to mount them to where you can't get your Quick Detach off. So, all right, we'll go ahead and cut it there. If y'all could, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I would appreciate it. Catch you on the next one.